What is up, guys? It's your boy Morgan B here, coming at you with a great video today of my Robinhood Dividend portfolio. This week is only two videos. I was gonna throw in one yesterday about a certain stock that I want to invest in, but I'll just talk about that on this one as well. So, kicking it off here, we're gonna look at my daily returns. My daily returns is at $133. Market isn't closed yet, so it may go up, may go down, but we will see when it closes. Um, Throughout the week, we are up almost $200. Um, from my last video, which was on the 5th, we came down a lot. This was through Wednesday, so that was literally within like a day, way over $200. We're kind of having, a nice recovery going towards the upside, uppity up. And then for the month, we are up $167. For the past 3 months, 294. Same for a year, and then for all, we're up $292. Dallas. Robinhood's been doing something super weird. I don't know if it's just me, but when a market closes, sometimes like you see this little dip over here. I mean, yeah, no, you see where it says 500 on upside. It'll literally show like negative 500, and I don't know what that's about, but if I see it again, I'll record it and just show you what I'm talking about so I don't seem crazy. But anyways, since Tuesday, if you guys haven't checked out that video on what I bought, go ahead and check it out. We are going to talk about Wednesday, Thursday, and today. So Wednesday, I bought, oh, it's all the way up here now, two more shares of Boeing. And I got it at a pretty good price. I brought my average cost down quite heavily. Um, it was at 138. Then I bought one on the 6th around that 125 mark, and then I bought one more right after around that 121 mark. And I think that 121 mark was actually pretty nice because once it hit that, it kind of came back up. So pretty good. Right now my average cost is 128. Now that's a huge difference. That's literally a $10 difference right there. I also bought three more shares of PSEC when it was down towards the 390 398 range. Um, didn't really have an effect on my average cost, but it's always good to have a few more shares in there. This has a super high dividend yield. This is my most riskiest one at the moment, but I have some pretty I guess you could say high hopes for this company here. If they don't go over a certain amount um anytime soon, then I'm gonna have to let them go. Unless they keep moving sideways, that's fine by me. But if they do drop below 350, unfortunately, I will sell some shares. That's just my conclusion. Um, I also bought two more shares of Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo. Oh, I didn't even realize what I've done here. There you go. Wells Fargo is down by almost $30. I'm waiting for next week to see how they're going to be before I buy more shares. But right now, they could be better. I think this company has a lot of potential. It's like the biggest bank in America, and just because this whole coronavirus situation, I would expect companies like this one to be so um, affected by it. I also bought one more share of AT&T, on Wednesday, and moving on to Thursday, I bought one share of Coca-Cola. I'm actually trying to have more Coca-Cola in my portfolio as well as AT&T. I think these two companies are pretty nice. Coca-Cola, they have their ups and their downs, but being such like a great consumer brand, I think they have a lot of potential. I am aware that they're losing a lot of money because I think movie theaters, amusement parks aren't really buying the product anymore. So that's pretty much a little loss in revenue that they will be having for a while. And then today I actually bought AT&T, just one share, so leaving it at 22. Typically I don't like buying on Mondays and Fridays. Um, Mondays being that that's more of like a yay or nay day for me. That's where I usually watch the stocks, check up on some news if anything happens, and yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Same as Friday too. I like to follow news, just follow how the stocks are looking, planning for the week ahead. But AT&T has really had my attention lately, and I honestly wouldn't even mind this to buy some more. All right, moving down here now. Now, one great stock I've been looking at is PG, right? Right now it's at that 115.97.6 range. Throughout the past, let's see here, week, is down 1%. Past month is down less than 1%. Over the past 3 months, this was when it had that major dip because of the coronavirus situation. It's down, over 8%. For the past year, it is up 10%, over 10%. And for the past 5 years, it is up over 44%. Now, this company here, I mean, like, hey, you can't go wrong with this, right? It's a home good company, and from what I've read about it, they operate through beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric, and home care, and what was it? What else? Baby, feminine, and family care, right? Their dividend yield is relatively low. I think they have major support right now. And I do think when this whole Rona situation is over, they're gonna go soaring. Only because a lot of people right now are stuck at home, not really buying. I guess you can say like grooming products or beauty products. Um, so yeah, I can see this really booming. It's booming like a boomer. I'm just waiting for next week to see at what price it will be at. Um, I will probably buy this like around that 110 range, one or two shares. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. It was a nice little short one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, um, drop it down in the comments, and I'll answer them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you all later. Peace out.